Alright, everybody, I'm getting ready to weld on my truck.
It's not on. Or is it?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh, okay.
Now I just gotta find where I put my scrap, or my piece of metal.
It's up your ass, you'd know it.
Oh, duh. It's right here. Ow!
Caution, there's a frame there.
Oh, I just realized something. Just sit there. There. Alright. Ready?
Fire away.
Now this is where it gets tricky. You know, ever since I used that new wire, I keep having issues with it getting caught.
Feed problems?
Yeah, so I'm going to have to go back to the wire I was using before.
Yeah.
Take these off. They're kind of in the way. All right. There. Now comes the part I'm really afraid of. You got a bungee cord again? Or at least something I can have you like just pull it a little snug. Don't want to drop the camera. That'll work. Sort of. As long as you don't bump the truck, the camera won't move. Yeah, that'll work perfect. That'll work. All right. Almost done on this side. All I gotta gotta do this side and we're done, Jason, on this.
Alright.
Aw, you piece of shit. Come on, quit doing that.
That should be good.
Perfect! And she don't move at all. Alright. It's a little smoky in here. Let me change this around so I can see. That's all there is to that. I know you're not supposed to do that. You're actually supposed to use bumper mounts, but I'm broke. That's a redneck fix right there. So, catch you later.